Hi, Luke here with the Barcode Factory. Today we're going to discuss UID labels and the importance of having high-quality supplies. Unique identification, or UID labels, are a labeling requirement for manufacturers that deliver products to the military or government. The label typically consists of your company's cage code, part number, serial number, and a data matrix barcode. UID labels must be printed with high-quality supplies to ensure they're as durable as the asset that they're being applied to. As a Zebra Premier business partner, we provide everything you need to generate UID labels, including printers, software, ribbons, and labels. Compliance is important. Bad labels can lead to fines or other penalties. Our team at the Barcode Factory understands these requirements and can point you in the right direction. Using a Zebra printer and certified supplies, you can confidently print these labels in-house, ensuring that they're high quality and fully compliant.
Our team understands best labeling practices. We can ensure that your labels don't look like this and that they look like this.
As Zebra label specialists, we are here to help. Contact our team today.